In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello to Slack. We'll walk through the connection process from inside Slack, then authorize Trello so the two apps can work together. This is a useful setup if you want your team to keep project updates, task activity, and collaboration in one place without constantly switching between platforms. To get started, open Slack and head to the area for apps. From there, click on Connect Apps. This takes you to the app marketplace, where you can search for tools that work with your Slack workspace. Once you're there, click into the search bar and type Trello. When Trello appears in the results, select it and then click Install. This begins the setup process for adding the Trello app to Slack. On the next screen, click Add to Slack. You'll then be shown a permissions page. Take a moment to review the access the app is requesting so you understand what it can do inside your workspace. When you're ready to continue, click Allow. This gives Slack permission to connect with Trello. After that, you'll be redirected to Trello's authorization page. Click Login to move forward. At this point, you may be asked to enter your email address, or you may see an option to connect your account automatically. Use whichever option applies to your situation. If you don't already have the necessary account connected for this process, you may be prompted to create one. In that case, click Create Your Account. You may also need to complete a CAPTCHA verification step. This is just a standard security check to confirm the request is legitimate, so finish that before moving on. Once the verification is complete, click Create Your Account again if prompted. On some screens, you may see another Create Your Account button one more time, so go ahead and select it to continue. These repeated confirmation screens can be normal during account setup, especially when Trello and Atlassian account permissions are being finalized. Finally, you'll arrive at the Trello authorization screen. Click Allow to approve the connection between Trello and Slack. This is the last step, and once it's done, the integration will be active. If everything goes smoothly, Trello should now be connected to your Slack workspace. If you run into any delays, give the page a few seconds to load and make sure you're signed into the correct Slack and Trello accounts before retrying. With that, you're all set to start using Trello inside Slack more efficiently.